Till now we have studied about the structure of a nerve cell. Now we will start with the function. But in order to understand the function of nerve impulse that is carried out by the nerve cells, it is necessary to understand about the structure of a nerve fiber. Because nerve fibers are the only structure that helps in the process of generation and conduction of nerve impulse. In nerve fibers, the neuroplasm, that is the cytoplasm present within, consists of highly negative charged cells. And the surrounding region within the plasma membrane that is the region surrounding neuroplasm containing nerve fibers consists of highly positive charged cells as compared to that present within the nerve fibers. Now this difference of charges that is positive and negative within the plasma membrane helps in the conduction of nerve impulse This difference is known as membrane potential. Moreover, this difference in electric charges can be measured with the help of voltmeter or electrodes. Thus, membrane potential occurs during the excited state. However, during unexcited state, that is when there is no energy difference or no electrical charge difference between the cells, then such a state is known as resting potential. Now, like all other plasma membrane present within the cell, this plasma membrane also consists of lipid bilayer, which is impermeable to ions. Second, protein. The protein present within the plasma membrane act as ion pumps and ion channels. These ion pumps and channels helps in the maintenance of electrical charges and thereby in the conduction of nerve impulse. By changing the electrical potential of the membrane. These ion pumps within the nerve fibers helps in the transportation of ions within the nerve impulse against their concentration gradient. For the formation and processing of these ion pumps, energy is used. This energy is generally in the form of ATP. The most common pump that is used in the conduction of nerve impulse is sodium-potassium pump. In this type of pump, the balance between sodium and potassium ions are made in such a manner that for every sodium ion, that is Na plus ion, which are 2 in number, are expelled out of the cytoplasm, that is removed out of the cytoplasm, for which simultaneously one K plus ion, that is potassium ion, gets inserted within the cytoplasm. On this basis, the concentration of K plus ion is more within the cytoplasm, and that of Na plus or sodium ion is outside more. Thus, the concentration of K plus ion remains high in the cytoplasm as compared to that of Na plus, which remains high out of the cytoplasm. Second, ion channels. Ion channels are aqueous in nature consisting of various proteins. These ion channels carry out a two-way transport of ions simultaneously. That is, these ions are permeable only to one kind of ion. Thus, permeability to any one kind of ion helps in the transportation of ions in a selective mode. Example for such ion channels can be sodium channel, potassium channel, chloride channel, and many others. These channels in their function can be either open or closed. For which chemical and electrical charges are responsible. That is, these charges helps in the transportation of ions selectively.